Hi friends, today we are with the new TWS from Truke and the model is BTG X1. This is basically a gaming TWS, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and also see all the features what this is going to offer. So let's first unbox this and see what are the box content. Now coming to what are the features, it comes with the 20 RGB gaming characteristic case design. It has a 40 ms ultra low latency gaming mode. If you talk about the Bluetooth version, it is running on Bluetooth 5.3. It has a 48 hours of music playback, but in general gaming it can run up to 10 hours after a single recharge, and volume control can be easily done with a single tap. It has an instant pairing. It gives you cinematic sound and powerful deep bass. With the 12 titanium speaker, it has a quad mic ENC which is giving you environmental noise cancellation. It comes with the instant pairing and it also has a 1 year of warranty. So in the box what we are getting is the two TWS. There is also one case, carrying case, and some of the paperwork. The paperwork includes the warranty card and the user guide manual. I will definitely recommend you to check out the user guide manual. Don't throw it. It will actually explain you how to use it. I will definitely show each feature in detail. And in the box what we are getting are the two pair of TWS which we will place inside the case. Coming to the case looks very ordinary in first look, but wait for it. It comes with the RGB color lighting once you put the TWS inside the case. I will show you that. So currently I will show you, if you put the case, it will show you the charging icon, and also all the lights are glowing. So it gives you pretty much premium and a gaming finish. In the front you have a X, which is basically for the gaming model X1. So this is a BTG X1 model. The X will glow while you are charging the case. The X will also glow while your TWS is also charging. If you open, it will be already in the pairing mode. If you put them back, it will be charging and the TWS can be charged. So just remember that if you tap 6 times, then you can reset it. It also has a music and volume control, call control. I will show those features in detail. Now few things that this weighs around 42 gram, and the charging case comes with a 300 mAh battery, whereas for the music playback with ANC it can go up to 5 to 7 hours. With music playback normal time it can go up to 6 to 8 hours, and the talk time can be 4 to 6 hours. This is what the company is claiming. Each TWS comes with the 40 mAh battery, and it looks like pretty much the first generation of Apple AirPods but in black color. It is light in weight, it doesn't feel much. It has a 42 gram overall weight. So this is what we are getting. As far as the look is concerned, it looks pretty much good. You can see the L and R which indicates left and right. The charging can be done from the back side, which has a Type-C charging port. There is a small breathing of X which indicates that the charging is already been started. The company has said that you can charge up to 3 hours. More than that, if you charge, it can harm your case and also the TWS, which company don't recommend. Here you can see in the dark how the color glows. It looks pretty much premium. It shows that it is for gaming, and the RGB colors looks literally fab. Now coming to the RGB colors and the gaming mode everywhere, but you can also get a good music experience too in this earphone. Now you can see the name is already there, Truke BTG X1, the model name. You can rename it, you can go in that setting. The pairing is very easy. Even you can switch on the use high quality audio calls. It supports AAC, so that is a good thing. Now I will show you in the Spotify how the control works. If you tap once on the left side, it will decrease the volume. If you tap right side, it will increase the volume. So you can see that. If you tap twice on the left side or the right side, both will do the play and the pause. So the play and the pause can be done just tapping twice. If you press and hold the left one for 2 seconds, it will go to the previous song. If you hold and press the right one, it will go to the next song. If you tap thrice on the right side, it will switch on the gaming mode. So you will feel the low latency and the gaming audio quality very much. It gives you ultra low latency mode of 40 ms. Now if you tap on the left side thrice, it will trigger your Google Assistant or your Siri. I will definitely like to show you that. So how you can trigger it, just tap thrice on the left side. And on the screen you can see your voice assistant will trigger it. It depends, if you are on Android it will trigger your Google Assistant, and if you are on an Apple iPhone it will trigger your Siri. So this is very easy function. Now coming to one more feature, which is the calling feature. How to use the calling feature? So for calling feature, left or right both works simultaneously and it works similar. So if you tap single time you will pick the call. If you tap twice it will end the call, and if you tap and hold then it will disconnect the call. So the features are very easy, and I will definitely recommend you again to keep the user manual so that you get habitual with all the features. Now coming to the gaming mode, it is very easy. If you tap thrice on the right side you will directly enter to the gaming mode. If you again tap thrice on the gaming mode you will switch to the music mode. So this is what you are getting, and I have tried the gaming mode. There is ultra low latency. The experience is very good. I will definitely not complain. And the RGB color lighting system on the case gives you a premium touch. Now coming to the price point, definitely, which is very important. It looks like a 3000 bucks price, but currently it is available for 1299, which is a killer deal. So this is all about the Truke BTG X1, the gaming TWS from Truke. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.